Hello guys, let people join in, then we will start. So today's topic for the live session, or we may say interactive session, is all about MDS first year. Now just few days back I have done with my MDS basic science exam, first year exam, and completed it. Results are still awaited, but I am done with my first year. So I would like to share my experiences, like to take your questions. So this live is only all about MDS first year, how it goes, what topics or what things we have to do in MDS first year, activities to be carried out in MDS first year. So let the people join and be ready with your questions. Today it is an interactive session. I will be talking, but also there will be an interactive session. So questions from new first year joinees, since new first years have joined recently, this 2-3 months back, then we will take them. Then who are willing to join MDS from the interns or from final years, or anyone from dental fraternity who is who is excited or who is keen to know about what is MDS first year like. So let the viewers join, then we will start with our live. People are joining. Let them join. We will start as soon as more number of people join. So what is MDS first year like? So when we first join, we are just oriented to the department, which department you are joining. We are oriented, we are given a view or overview of what activities to be done in the whole first year or whole 3 years of courses. Okay, so first 1 month just it goes in getting acquainted or getting well established there in the department, making your place in the department, then increasing your capability, understanding what you can do, in what things you are weak. This is how a first month of MDS first year, first 2 months goes like. Then you are oriented towards the preclinical, that is before entering clinics. Now the clinical branches like endo, prosto, these branches, what happen? Preclinical work is given. Before entering to clinic, a work is given, specific type of quota is present. Now that quota we have to complete in first 6 months or 3 to 4 months for some department, for some department it is 6 months. So we need to complete that quota during the first 6 months of our first year MDS. Okay, so this is what first 6 months look like. Along with that, we have to do, there are JCs, that is journal clubs, then seminars and clinical presentation. Now what are journal clubs? Who are new to first year MDS, journal clubs, we have to find articles. Okay, articles, different articles related to your field or to your field. Like for example, I am in the oral pathology department, so related to my field or related, I find the articles, and that new articles which are recent research, and that they have to make the presentation, and this presentation we have to present in front of our staff and other co-PGs and seniors. So in this, what is the benefit of this JC, that is journal club, that we discuss various articles, we get to know about what type of research is going on. Okay, so what type of research is going on in our field, we get acquainted with the department. So such journal clubs, in a year we have to present 5 journal clubs. Okay, then in a year we have to present 5 seminars. The staff or the guide which you are allotted to will give you some topics related to seminars. Now these topics in first year will be related to your basic sciences. Now what is basic sciences? The basic sciences is what you study in first 4 years of your ABDS life. So that all subjects you have to be thorough with. So that topic will be given as seminar topics during your MDS first year. Seminars. So first we talked about JC, that is journal club. Then we talked about seminar. Okay, then we talked about seminar. Now last is clinical presentations or case presentation. Now cases which we do in our department. For clinical people there may be clinical cases. For non-clinical, like which I am doing in oral pathology, oral medicine, what we do, we take case history. Case history is patient visiting to our department. We take full history of that patient and we record it in a format, and that format need to be presented in a format of PPT. So it's just a title case presentation, and your diagnosis is kind of surprise to the staff, like it's like a journey while they attained it. So it's also quite interesting to attain others' case presentation and present. Now this is what your 6 to 7 months of first year go. In whole year you have to total presentations which we have to do is 15 presentations. Okay, 5 case presentations, 5 JCs, that is journal club, which we discussed. Okay, and 5 seminars. This is what your first year look like. Now then this is the major thing, and preclinical. Now preclinical work depend on the department. Okay, depend on the department. Now for example, in our department we do various carvings which we do in BDS first year. That carving we have to do ground sections. Likewise in every department it differs. In endo also there are carving, then there are restorations which we do. Means preclinical work is the work which we have already dealt with in the BDS, but we have to just polish our skills in the MDS before entering into the clinics. And then after 6 months the clinical departments get to enter to clinics, that they start doing basic patients of their department. Okay, for example for endo they start with anterior root canals. For pedo also they start with simple cases or assisting their seniors, so that they get to know what is their capability to do. Okay, so this is what is MDS first year like. So now we will start with the questions. Till then I will tell my experiences how first actually to deal with presentation. It is quite difficult at starting, because we don't have that much speed to cope up with the speed of the what they give us. Okay, so we need time, but after a certain time, like 1 to 2 months, when you give 5 presentations, after that it's very easy to make a presentation. You can make a presentation in a day or 2, but during starting you will need a week or 2 weeks to make a single presentation, and you will not get to know from which reference books we have to read and all. Okay, so it is very interesting. MDS first year, it's just brushing up. Overview is that it is just brushing up your knowledge of BDS years and getting introduced to your branch. You are not fully into the branch in the MDS first years. So in second year you are entering into the branch which you are taking, but first year, before entering that, you have to brush up your knowledge. And this is what your 6 to 7 months goes like. It goes very fast. You get too busy in your things. There are so much things to do at a time. In a day you have to do your preclinical work, you have to approve your seminars. So there are many things to do in MDS. Okay, and side by side your cultural activities are going on, so you have to handle that too. Okay, so this is what MDS first year be like. And the most important part of MDS first year is the basic sciences exam, which is taken at the end of the first year. Oh wait, before that I forgot to tell you that at the end of 6 months, that is from start of your MDS first year till the 6 months, you have to submit synopsis. Now what is synopsis? It is a protocol of a research project which you are going to take. It is a protocol or research project which you are going to take during your third year, like full MDS. Which topic you are going to deal with, that topic you have to select it. That is thesis or dissertation topic. That topic you have to select, and what you have to do, you have to prepare a synopsis. So university gives you respective dates for synopsis submission. After that is very tough, like little tough job. You have to get approved your synopsis topic, You have to get approved your synopsis topic from your respective guide. Once you enter the MDS first year, you are allotted with the guides, various guides. Okay, so everyone is allotted a guide, a mentor, which is responsible or which is with you for whole 3 years. So first, after the 6 months of joining, you have to give a proper synopsis of the thesis to be, which thesis you are going to carry out whole the 3 years. That proper synopsis you have to give. It is a protocol or it has various titles, okay, that you need to submit. So first you have to select a topic. So every first year MDS student who have just joined, for them my message will be, once you join the college, within 1 to 2 months start searching for your research topic, because it is quite difficult, because we have to think in all broad sense, like will that topic be feasible, will it be able to do in our departmental settings, or will we need labs or other things like outside lab help, that we have to see, or financially how much budget you are setting up for your study. This all have to be taken into consideration, and then you select a study, and then you approve it from your appropriate guide, and then guide will give you some changes, and then you will select your MDS thesis topic. This is what major thing. So major 2 things we have to do in MDS first year, that are selection of thesis topic and writing the synopsis, and last is your basic sciences exam. So these are the major things which is on which your MDS first year is hold, and other side by side things are seminars, your JC, that is journal clubs, and then clinical presentations, everything. Okay, so this is what. So we will wait for questions to come. If any questions from the newly joined first years or interns, if they are willing to ask. Okay, and what else? So this is what the first year, MDS first year look like. Now for basic sciences exam, at least you need to prepare 3 to 4 months prior, because it is a vast. What is basic science? Almost all the subjects which you have studied from first year to final year are there, like basic subjects, pathology, pharmacology, then micro, which basic subjects you have studied, all you have to study for only one paper. So it is a quite difficult task. You have to study lot many books, lot many articles, only for a 100 marker paper. And now this pattern is that we will have 10 questions, each having 10 marks, that is 100 marks paper. So you have to write at least 4 pages for your answer, 4 to 5 pages for your answer. Okay, so you have to be well prepared with that answer. And most important, everybody tells, is that how to present that answer is the key. So you have to present it in a good way, like charts, then what we say, diagrams, flow charts, then it will be presentable. Good presentable, you will get good marks. Okay, so before 3 to 4 months before your exam, you should start preparing your notes, because we read lot of books for that, and on the day or before 15 days of your exam, you are not able to recollect all the books and read through the books. It is quite not impossible but difficult. So best way is what, you take your 300 to 400 pages book, you put it for your basic sciences, and start writing questions every day, 1 to 2 questions at start of your study. Then afterwards you have to increase it to 5 to 10 questions per day. Like this you make your note. So end of the 3 to 4 months you will have a book ready with the questions, which only you have to revise before going to the exam. Now this revision, according to me or according to my experience, you should start your revision at least 5 to 6 days before the exam date, because the most important is not what you read but is what you revise. According to my experience, what I dealt now just few days back, because revision is the most important key for MDS basic sciences exam. So you should revise it most difficult and volatile subjects I would prefer are anatomy, which needs lot of revision, because they are just factual based questions which don't have a process or which don't have anything like that. So they are factual, so you have to remember it by hook or by crook. So it is should revise it all the time. Make charts, stick in your rooms, so that where you go, so that you always read it or recollect it. Then anat and pathology and all, if you read once or twice, you will get the process, then you can write it on your own. Then research methodology is a tough subject, because from BDS we find it difficult. Either I found it difficult, but almost all my all my colleagues find it difficult to recollect also this research methodology. So these two subjects you should be thorough and revise it. Then physiology, pathology you can deal with. Then in biochemistry, those cycles which we do from 12th, we do it, glycolysis, Krebs cycle, but then too we do not remember those cycles. But so make the chart, stick it in your room. Then nerves in anatomy, which are very important, because one nerve at least they ask in every paper. Mostly one nerve has been asked. Okay, so this is some points to be remembered giving the basic sciences exam. Then your first year ends here after the basic science exam. So just to revise what first we join 1 to 2 months, we get oriented to the department, to the staff, we get oriented. Then we get to know what is our quota. Then pre-clinics, that is before entering to clinics, we have some work to do, example carvings in our case. Then we have seminars, we have JCs. This is what a overview of MDS first year. And most important thing is synopsis and what basic sciences exam. So this is how a very quick review of MDS first years. So any questions from the audience, please feel free to ask. We'll wait for the questions. This video will be put up on the Instagram handle, so you can always watch it afterwards too. So please share with your friends who have joined the MDS or who are planning to join MDS first year. It's just my opinion or my experience in that matter, which I have shared with you guys. So any questions about it, please feel free to ask. I have done with my part. I have explained what I needed to explain and I feel is important to know before joining an MDS first year or first year, all about MDS first year. Any questions? I don't think so. They are coming up. We'll wait for a few minutes. Any questions, please ask. MDS first years or who have joined recently, or interns who are willing to join. Okay, then can we done with our session or what? So next, please at least comment the topics or whom you want me to take interview, some famous dentist or something like. I will try that on next. Before we had Dr. Akruti Shah, then Sai Naveen Kumar Pilli sir, we have done video with him also. It's on my handle, you can go and check. So it was very interesting. Both the videos were quite interesting and very nicely taken. So please go and check it. Check my other videos and please give me suggestions for some new videos. Or new topics related to dentistry, related to MDS, BDS or medical, like whatever related to dentistry. So please give me some ideas. Like now I'm done with my exams, so I'll be focusing on this Instagram more than before. Let's try, I'm trying. So please give me what all I can talk about in the next live, or with whom I will approach some other dentist whom you would like me to speak with them on the live. Okay, So we will take a leave. Bye bye. We'll meet on next Sunday maybe, or some holiday kind of thing, when I'll be free in the evening. We'll meet with some another interesting session maybe. Okay, bye.